Okay, so I'm going to be doing this quick video for someone. I received a comment. There was a comment that came in yesterday on the last video that I posted, and she was like, she tried to stop. She was like, she tried to apply for monetization. She applied for monetization on YouTube for a channel. She got rejected, like YouTube rejected her monetization. But they didn't approve the monetization. She was like, she doesn't know what to do. I went to her channel to, check her channel, know what her channel is all about, know the niche that her channel is all about. So I'll know what to tell her and know what the problem is. Stop that! Okay, so I checked her channel. I realized that she does videos on breastfeeding, motherhood, lifestyle, and all that. Now, like I said before, there's one video that I posted. I said those are the kind of videos I used to post before, but I stopped posting it because YouTube demonetized my channel 3 times. I had to wait for 90 days for 3 different times. You understand? So those 3 times they demonetized me. I waited for 90 days for each of those 3 times. So imagine 90 days times 3. That's 3 months, 3 months each. That's like 3, 6, 9. 9 months before I was not monetized again. Then I wasn't getting paid. I was monetized. Papa, stop, please. I'm shooting a video. Stop it. So I what was I saying? I was not getting paid during those times they demonetized me, and my channel was at risk of getting banned. So right now YouTube doesn't accept those kind of content anymore. They don't accept it. YouTube platform, it's being how will I put it? YouTube have computers and everything that helps. Give me the spoon. Give me. They have computers and all that helps them to work on the page. I don't know how to explain it. So those bots, those computers, they don't know the difference between educative content and nudity. I don't know how to pronounce this word very well because I don't know if I'm careful, so it doesn't affect this video. You understand what I mean? Now, this content, YouTube has actually banned them from YouTube. Now, if you're posting content on breastfeeding, feeding, whatever, they are going to demonetize your channel because they feel you are it's against their policy. Okay, now the best way to do this, if at all that's the kind of content you want to post, you want to show people your lifestyle as a new mom, as a breastfeeding mom, there are ways you have to do that so you don't get demonetized. You can still shoot your video and create your content without exposing yourself. As long as you don't expose yourself, you are good. And the kind of thumbnail and title and everything also matters. Okay, sometimes you don't even bother to check what the video is all about. When they see your thumbnail and see your description, your title, they demonetize you instantly, or they can even ban your channel. Okay, so it's against YouTube policy. Now, if that's the only content you want to shoot, please it's better you look for something else that you can be posting on your channel, because your channel is at risk of demonetization if you are already monetized. And if you're looking forward to monetize your channel, YouTube will not monetize your channel because that is against their policy and guideline. Okay, so like my channel, I'm always, in fact, every video that I post on this channel, I'm always careful. Like, I am always careful. Like, God, you guys don't understand. My videos are education, they are like fun, they're like my lifestyle. I vlog the real me, how I deal with my child, how my child stressed me, and how we play, we laugh. So it's basically my lifestyle, my everyday lifestyle. That's what I post on this channel. And yeah, that's it. So if you are, I've forgotten your name, for the person that sent that, I still don't know why. I told you to send a message on IG, on Instagram, so I can put you through on what to do. So please, if you really want to monetize that channel, send me, I'll tell you what to do and what not to do. Okay. And other persons that are trying to monetize their channel and they're like, they're not monetized. Even the ones that monetize, they are being demonetized, but they don't know why. There's particular something you're doing that you might not even know that's against their policy. You have to go and read their policy again, like again and again, so you understand properly what YouTube want on their platform and what they don't want. Okay, and now you have to be very careful, very careful. YouTube is strict right now. It's not like how it used to be that you can just post anything, get views, and get monetized, start getting paid. Even right now, so the CPM and the RPM, everything is just getting low. If you're not doing motherhood content and breastfeeding and all that, everything I just mentioned, that's not the kind of content you are posting, but you still get the same issue, the monetization, and not YouTube not accepting your monetization. Now it might be that is a reused content, especially if you are posting something that is not yours and you're not making it original. YouTube will demonetize it because they don't accept that. Okay, now if you want to post something that is not yours, make sure you make it original. Do something, say something just to make the video original. It can be a reaction video to that particular stuff that you're posting. That way you're safe. Okay, now if you are also using songs from YouTube channel, from YouTube, you are downloading songs or screenshotting screen recording songs on the YouTube platform, and there are a lot of channels that will write copyright free song. You can use it. At the end, when you use it, they will still give you a copyright strike that particular song is not for you. So that's why the best place to get songs to use on your channel is through your YouTube studio, the Chrome version. There's an audio library there. That's the best place to pick any song you use there. YouTube will not give you any strike, demonetization, or copyright or whatever. It's just there. You understand? It's free. But every other platform, you have to be very careful. You don't even know which one is real and which one is not real. So songs can make your channel demonetized or not approved for monetization. Hey! Quiet. Not approved for monetization. And amongst a lot of things. So if you really want to do YouTube and you are serious, you want to take YouTube really serious, you have to go to YouTube guideline and their policy. Please read everything from beginning to the end. I know it's long, but read everything from beginning to the end so you know what to do and what not to do, so you don't get in trouble with. I'm sorry that that we actually disturbed this entire video. I don't know, this is what I go through every day. If you've been watching all my content, you will find out that this is what I post. Like the way it stresses me, like this boy is a pain in my oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay guys, I just have to manage. I didn't want to shoot this video, but I had to shoot it for my subscribers and for the comments that I received, for the question I was asked yesterday. So I just had to shoot it, hoping it's going to help out and also help those that are going through the same situation. Okay, so yeah, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Trust me, I always reply comments. There's no comment that I don't reply. Once I see you comment on any of my videos, I'm always happy and it gives me so much joy, and I always reply. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I will definitely reply your comments. Okay, so, and please, if you know you've not subscribed, the subscription means a lot to me. It's free. You don't have to pay. It's just a way of supporting me, so you can subscribe to the channel. Okay, and also join my membership. My membership is still open now. People should join my membership. Okay, a way of supporting me. Thank you guys so much. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.